In this video, my friend takes this fantastic Superfly Aurora X4 DLG Discus Launch Glider and give it a serious servo upgrade with the ultra micro but powerful Emax ES9052MD digital metal gears. We're running it all on a simple and light 1S LiPo with a Radiomaster ER6G receiver. The result? An incredibly responsive, lightweight and rugged performer that's an absolute joy to fly. If you're looking to get into DLG or want a reliable, no-fuss glider for some relaxing
just bring it
thermal
in if you want.
hunting, this setup is hard to beat.
Right. Get down your neck. Bring it in for a catch. Got it. That's good. Okay.